first I'd like to apologize. Sorry I haven't been uploading. I know it's been like 10 days, but I've been working on something big. So One UI 3.1 for A7 2018 will be coming, and this one is going to be based on the S10 or S20. Let me check, and I'll comment down below later, guys, when I check. But it will be based on that, and so it's gonna have all the features as the S10, S20. So if you guys are looking for me to upload that video, get this video to 15 likes, and I'll release that video as soon as possible. Sorry, guys, just been busy. But guys, let's talk about today. So today we're gonna be looking at a new mod for Among Us, extra rows mod. So in this mod, it just adds some extra rows. So as I've been talking, I've been showing the features and stuff. So let me teach you how to install it. So guys, all the links will be in the description below. I will link this link down in the description. Yes, guys, GitHub and SourceForge links, they sometimes get down, and the links don't work anymore. I'll try to update them soon as possible. But one thing you guys can help me with is just comment down below whenever the link is broken, and I will comment out. So guys, after downloading the file, please extract it, and then after the file is extracted, copy all the things that it extracted, copy it, and find your Among Us shortcut. So yes, guys, if you guys don't have a Among Us shortcut, you guys can look through it to Steam. So just left click the Among Us shortcut and click open file location. And guys, this is where we're going to paste the mods files. So just left click and paste. I just put it on dual screen just to show you guys all the features. And guys, sorry for this error. By this place, I remember I copied a wrong folder, so that's why I'm just going to quickly cancel it, because I was also copying the whole Among Us crack folder, which you're not supposed to do. So guys, just copy the mod files. So yeah, guys, after you have copied the mod files, that's it. Now you can just close everything, and then this will pop up. So the new updated Among Us mods, they will have to run through some codes in order to work, since Among Us patched some of the mods. So now they de-encrypted through coding. So guys, it does take a while, so I'm going to cut this part, and I'll be back when it's finally loaded. So guys, I'm gonna actually let this video run to just show you guys how long it actually takes. It does take 15-30 seconds, so guys, have patience. At first I also thought it won't work, but after I waited 30 seconds, it actually worked. So guys, as we're waiting, comment down below what game you guys want me to see to review next, and yes, based off that, I'll make a new video. If you guys are getting tired of the Among Us videos, I apologize. It's just my old Among Us video did so good that it's encouraging me to keep on uploading. Thank you guys for getting that video to 5,000 views. So yeah, guys, as you can see, it has started the coding process. This does also take a little time, but it should max take around 2-3 minutes. If it does not work by then your computer has crashed. Just restart your computer and the mod should be working. It's not a big issue. And also guys, if you have any concerns, any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and I will always answer my comments. And also guys, speaking of comments, guys, we've been crushing it lately. I've been averaging 1,600 views for 48 hours. That's been the highest. So guys, please keep supporting the channel, and if you guys are not subscribed already, please smash that like button. Like, what are you guys doing? You guys want to be a part of the Bucksheaf family, right? Hit that subscribe button. I'm sorry for the quietness. I don't know what to talk about. Yes, it finally worked. So as you can see, the mod loaded. Guys, be careful not to close the terminal. Just minimize it so the mod will keep running in the background. And also guys, you guys are asking why don't these mods work online? Because these mods are only meant to be played with people who also installed the mod. So make sure your friends have installed the mod. So guys, that's it for the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. Until next time, goodbye.